If you're struggling with back pain, I know how difficult it can be. It affects everything that you're doing in life. And whether you're struggling with sitting for long periods of time or picking up kids or grandkids or just wanting to be more active, back pain really stops you in your tracks. So learning how to do some simple exercises that can take some relief off of your back and really learn the best ways to avoid medications and avoid surgeries is doing Pilates-based exercise. It is extremely helpful for improving the alignment of your posture and helping the muscles not only get stronger to support your midsection, but also just to ease any unwanted symptoms. And so when you're in back pain, those muscles, they tend to shut off and you lose the connection between your brain and your muscles around your core. So today I'm going to talk you through the 5 best Pilates moves for lower back pain relief, and you're going to have a mat on the floor, or you can even do this on your bed if it's difficult for you to get up and down from the floor. My name is Dr. Dawn Andalone. I'm a women's health physical therapist. I've helped so many women with back pain and overcome it using Pilates-based exercise. But the key is you want to make sure you're doing the right exercises for your back. So if you're experiencing any changes in bowel or bladder function, numbness or tingling down the legs, or a lot of lower body weakness, you definitely want to get checked out by your doctor first. But if that's not the case and you're getting this ache and pain from day to day, and you want to know what else to do except opt for medications or surgery, then starting a Pilates practice can be very beneficial. I will also link down below my pelvic floor Pilates program that has helped so many women ease back pain and do it in just 15 minutes a day. Now, to take control of your back pain and feel better about how your body is feeling in its posture and how you're sitting and standing and being able to be more active through the day, you're gonna learn these Pilates moves. So number 1, I want you to be on your back with your knees bent. I'm gonna take you through some simple breathing first to just prepare for any Pilates moves. And when we do this, we want to feel like our tailbone is kind of sinking down into the mat. So feel that heaviness of your pelvis into the mat. And you're not pushing your lower back into the mat. We're just going to let those muscles go and release. And I want you to place your hands over your lower belly. And you're going to take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And just breathe with me. Let's do about 5 good deep breaths. So you're feeling the rise and fall of your belly, trying to get that air down into your pelvic area and down into your lower abs. Inhale through the nose and then exhale through the mouth. With back pain, we tend to be stressed and breathe up here from our neck and shoulders. So breathing down from here will let those muscles release and relax a little bit. Okay, number 2, we're gonna go into some gentle pelvic tilts. And so you want to imagine that your pubic bone here is going to lift up. So you are pressing your lower back just gently into the mat. And then we'll release your back off the mat and tilting your pelvis downward. So we're just gonna go back and forth and feeling just a little movement in the lower spine area. And I'm just tucking my hips underneath me and then releasing. So you can do about 10 of those, just gentle pelvic tilts. Pilates mat exercises are great for just connecting your brain to this part of your body and releasing it. Now, from there, we're gonna go into a small glute bridge. So we use that pelvic tilt. We're gonna pull our pubic bone, lifting it up, pull the navel in toward the spine, and then I lift my hips up. So hips are coming off the floor, and then I'm lowering back down slowly. Inhale first, and then exhale. Lift and hold. Inhale back down and exhale. Pull in and lift. So going through just some gentle movements of some bridges. And you can do 10 there of those glute bridges. Next, we really want to get those muscles around your core. They act like a corset to really support your spine. So we're gonna bring our legs up, our knees up, and we call this a reverse march. So my knees are at a 90-degree angle. My knees are right over my hips. And with doing this, you don't want those ribs to lift off. You wanna think of pulling those ribs together. And you'll inhale first. As you exhale, drop one leg at a time slowly down while you try to keep that core engaged. So pulling in those muscles every time your leg moves away from you. I'm exhaling as I lower the leg. And you may get really fatigued or tired, or you're feeling it in your back. You don't want that. If you start feeling it in your back, or that's really difficult for you to do and maintain that position, just do one leg at a time, just gentle marches, and focus on these muscles pulling in and up. Keep that control there. And we're gonna do 10 of those on each side. So start with the reverse marches. If those are too difficult, just go to single leg marches as well. Okay, we're going on to the next exercise is called an open book. Think of bookends. So the cover of the book is opening. I have my knees stacked on each other, my hips are stacked, and I'm going to lift that top arm and rotate backward. So I keep my hand in line with my shoulder, and I keep my knees pushing together so I get a little rotation of my spine. Now don't push it too much if you're getting any pain or discomfort, but it should just feel like you're releasing and going into a rotated position with your spine gently. Use it with your breathing. So you want to exhale as you rotate, and then inhale, bring it back. You're gonna do 10 of those on each side. Okay, now we come to the last exercise that I'm going to show you in this video is a bird dog exercise. It's good to change positions. So being on our hands and knees here, your back flat like a tabletop, you want to engage those muscles where we're pulling in the navel toward the spine like we were before. And as I keep my back flat without my hips twisting, I'm going to extend the opposite arm and leg slowly, and exhale as you extend out. And I'm breathing and exhaling every time I extend that leg and the arm away from each other. The goal is not to get a lot of shifting and twisting. You want to pretend like there's a bowl of water on your back. It's not going to spill. Okay, there you have it. My top 5 Pilates moves that are great for lower back pain relief. And if you find that you're doing these daily for the next 4 to 6 weeks, this is really going to ease tension in your lower back. It's going to set you up for success to feel like you're more connected to the core and allow those muscles to take over rather than your spine feeling all that tension. Now, if you want 15 minutes a day of guided exercises in a very helpful program, I'll link below the Pelvic Floor Pilates program. And if you found that these exercises are helping you, comment below. I want to hear back from you that you are trying them. So I hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you again in another video. Thanks so much for watching.